Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Lee from Everything Tech. Welcome to this week's Tuesday tip. I'm going to talk briefly about meeting notes in Microsoft Teams meeting. So it's a fairly new feature that allows you and everybody else that's invited to the meeting to keep track of meeting notes. And the cool thing is that meeting notes can be added prior, so you can put an agenda in there, during the meeting when you're actually making notes, and they're always attached to the meeting when you want to go back and look at meeting notes from a meeting. So if you know that you had a meeting last Monday and you want to go back and look at the notes from that meeting, you'll be able to go back in your Teams calendar and double click on the meeting and find the meeting notes here in this section. So there'll be a little button that comes up here if you're making meeting notes for the first time in this meeting. There'll be a little button around here that will say take notes, and meeting notes are dropped into sections, so you use a little plus sign here. So here I've added actions. This is notes about the product. If I was doing it before the meeting, I could add the agenda. And you'll notice that when you click in here, the little Microsoft Word-like editing bar comes up so that you can use bullet points. And so, like I say, the beauty of this tool is that you can come back at any time after the meeting and always find the meeting notes from this meeting. So you don't have to create Word documents and store them somewhere and then go back and find notes. They're instantly available to everybody. So I thought that would be useful, creating meeting notes in Microsoft Teams meetings.